Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about various zoonotic bacteria. So the zoonosis is the infectious disease that are transmitted between animals and humans. So in this video we are going to talk about various species that causes the zoonosis, and we will also discuss about their diseases, and we will also discuss about their transmission and various sources. Now the anaplasma species, they causes the anaplasmosis, and the transmission and the source are zoonotics. They live on the deer and mice. So another species are the Bartonella species. They causes the cat scratch disease and bacillary angiomatosis. The transmission and the source are from the cat, and from the cat scratch the disease is transmitted. So talking about the Borrelia burgdorferi, it causes the Lyme disease, and it is caused by the zoonotic, and it also live on deer and mice. Borrelia recurrentis causes the relaxing fever, and the main transmission and the source is of louse, and it is recurrent due to the variable surface antigen. The Brucella species causes brucellosis, or it is also known as the undulant fever, and the main source of this infection is unpasteurized dairy. The Campylobacter causes the bloody diarrhea, and the transmission and the source of this Campylobacter is feces from the infected pets or animals, and contaminated meats, foods, and contaminated hands. The Chlamydophila psittaci causes psittacosis, and the main transmission and the source of this bacteria are the parrots and various other birds. The Coxiella burnetii causes the Q fever, and the main transmission is by the aerosols of the cattle or sheep amniotic fluid. So if during the birth or from the discarded amniotic fluid, we have to be very aware of the various aerosols of the cattle and sheep of the Coxiella burnetii. If we get contact, or if we inhale those aerosols, then we can contract the Q fever. The Ehrlichia chafensis causes the ehrlichiosis, and the main transmission and source of this infection is embyloma, that we also call it as lone star tick. The species Francisella tularensis causes the tularemia, and the main transmission and source of this tularemia are ticks, rabbits, and deer flies. The Leptospira species causes leptospirosis, and animal urine in water and recreational water use are the sources of the transmission. The Mycobacterium Leprey causes the leprosy, and human with leptomatous leprosy is the main source of the infection. So leptomatous leprosy, the person who has leptomatous leprosy has a high bacterial load, and they can be transferred from one person to another. And the nine-banded armadillo, from which the leprosy can be cultured, is also one of the main source. The armadillo animal can harbor the Mycobacterium leprey bacilli, so we have to be cautious. Pasteurella multocida causes the cellulitis and osteomyelitis. The animal bites, the cats and the dogs are the main source of the infection, and they are transmittable by the animal bites. Rickettsia proazeki causes the epidemic typhus, and human to human transmission occurs via the human body louse. Rickettsia rickettsii causes the Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and the main transmission occurs by dermacentor, which is also known as the dog tick. The Rickettsia typhi causes the endemic typhus, and it is mainly transmitted by the fleas. The Salmonella species, except the Salmonella typhi, causes the diarrhea, which may be bloody, and it also causes the vomiting, fever, and abdominal cramps. The main sources are of reptiles and poultry. Yersinia pestis causes the plague, and the main source of infection and transmission are by the fleas, specifically rats, and prairie dogs are the reservoirs. So these are the tabulated form of the various zoonotic bacteria. So I hope you understood this various zoonotic bacteria, the various species and the disease caused by them, and their transmission and the various sources. Thank you.